Hello, it's both of us here.
Well, I'm to the side. I'm not behind, but I'm to the side today.
Okay, so this is, very exciting. This is what we're calling like our crossover crafting. So it's a combination of albums and miniatures all combined into one. So what we've got here is an album. This one's been made by our Karen, and it's using the beautiful Graphic 45 papers, Grow with Love, and with lovely floral images that work perfectly with our miniature flower dies. Okay, so this is based on our original monster book, and it's just got a little bit more in it. So you'll see it looks, is that 8 1/4? I think it is, isn't it? I can't remember.
It's eight. Oh, no, there will be 8 1/4 because there's 8 papers.
Yeah, okay, right, cool. So that's that there. So that's the front. That's the side. Oh, what does that say? Treasured memories. Oh, is that a little sneaky peek? Oh, I shouldn't have said that.
As per usual.
Okay, you've got a flap there, then it drops down, and here I'm just going to move that light out of the way a bit. Ooh. Just demolishing the set. Okay, so here inside you can see our hidden frame, which is why it's called a hidden frame album. So inside here, when you get your kit, you'll have the MDF that's cut out to make your fence, your gate, your birdhouse.
It was done to match the. It was done to match the.
It
papers.
was done to match the papers, yes. And you get a little pussycat, and then you get some of our beautiful 3D resin embellishments that Kay's designed, and then you can see that Karen's decorated it with lots of little tiny flowers. It's absolutely beautiful. Oh, that's very nice. And then on here, Karen's gone to town using our new page edger tool. So she's done a decorative edge there.
So if you're doing these papers, they're ideal if you're doing like for gardens, a garden day out, or if you've done the Chelsea Flower Show,
perfect,
anything like that. And of course, all your tickets and what have you, you can be putting in souvenirs in your frame.
And also, what you could do is you could actually take a picture of your garden, blow it up, put it in there, and then build it up from there. So there's lots and lots to do. Okay, so when Karen opens up, when we open the page up, you've got your back tags here, and I really like the colour coordinations. It's quite a soft pastel shade this time. So here you've got the page edger tool. Karen's gone to town with the glossy accents. Girl after my own heart. Okay, oh, that's very nice.
Those words that pop out when she's put the glossy accents
yeah,
on.
they're really nice, aren't they?
Yeah.
Wonder where they come from.
Are they coming soon, Maggie?
Oh, I think they might be. Are we collecting them soon? I think we might be. Okay, so this is here, and Karen's used the, I think she's used the pierced page tabs here, or stitched page tabs. Yes. It looks like she's used for these.
Got a bit of texture on them. Yeah.
That's really effective as well. And then you've got the lovely wavy edges again. And then in here, oh, I think this is really clever. She's used the page edger, and then she's used her favourite thing, the waterfall.
And she's made it quite distinct by doing the pattern and solids.
Yes. So in the kit you get your patterns and solids, and you get some 8x8 papers. And then here, she's just a plain page here. She's put some of our curved photo slots in. And then, oh, sorry, I didn't read the instructions. Lift up and pull right. So lift up and pull right. Let's go that way. So you can see there's lots of space there, and then you can go that way as well. So there's plenty of papers, but it's just a really nice, fun thing to do. But I think it's a great project, as Kay says, if you go to a special area. So that's Karen's. And then here is Lynn's. And we challenged Lynn because she's used to using multiples of paper, isn't she? Yeah. So you did a great job, Lynn, as well. So this is really lovely. So here again, ooh, just a little sneaky peek. And Lynn's used different pattern papers here. And then when we open it up, in here you've got the lovely decorative edges. Those are our photo corners, yeah, photo slot corners, yeah. And then Lynn's gone in and she's like aged the it's like verdigris almost, isn't it, yeah, on the MDF. So that's lovely there, and the balloons. I like that idea. And then you open it up. She's used the octagons there. That keeps coming. Bonk. So I didn't hit Kay with that. And she's put like double pockets here. And you keep opening it up. That's our stitched slots.
Little top
Belly
spot,
band
that's
there.
nice, isn't it?
Yes, it's very effective, isn't it? That one's nice with the... And they're coming back, because I know people have been waiting for those. And then these are all... Lynn's done like a double ATC wallet page. Another belly band here. I do like working with patterns and solids because I think you can do a lot with them. More here, another little invisible tuck spot there, pocket there, pocket there. And then in here, you've got double pocket here as well. Ooh, and a few little words here, so you could put a lovely picture here as well. That's beautiful as well. Thank you very much.
Okay.
So
Let's
have
get our
fun.
new kit.
Bye.